Hi and welcome to the video training of Laravel. In this video training we will be learning about Laravel Eloquent Lazy versus Eager Loaded. The Eloquent ORM in Laravel is working amazingly and provide very simple ways for accessing to the database. In this video we will understand about what is lazy and eager loading in Laravel Eloquent and how it's work in the background. Let's look at the Eloquent relationship. The first step, we need to define relationship between models. In this example I will use two models, house and city. House is belongs to one city and city has many houses. Let's see the relationship in model house. So we have a class house which extends the model class and it has the protected fileable array, title, description, price. Then we have a public function city which defines a relationship between city and the house. So in this function we are returning belongs to city. So basically a house belongs to a single city. For many to one relationship, house is belong to one city. The function name is singular, public function city. Now let's look at the city class which also extends model and it has protected fileable array, name and code. Then we have a public function houses, because there can be many houses in a single city, so houses is plural and it is returning a has many relationship with the house. Note that for one to many relationship, city has many houses, the function name is plural, public function houses. Now let's look at the lazy loaded concept. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a houses object and we are going to call the house : all function. By default, accessing data is in Eloquent is lazy loaded. In the above code we get all data in the house table. The query running behind that is select static from houses. In this step, the data in the relationship table city is not retrieved yet. If we want to access the data in the relationship table, we can access like this. For each houses as house, echo house, city, name. This is lazy loaded. The query running behind that is select static from cities, where cities dot id equals limit 1, and it will run for all the cities regarding to the process will loop all records in houses and execute one query for each loop to get the city data. Example that we have 20 records of house. The query to get the data in the relationship table will execute 20 times plus one original query for getting the house data. The time for query for lazy loaded is n plus 1. Now let's look at the eager loading approach. Sometimes it is useful to use eager loading in your application. For example, you are calling the data by using Ajax. In this case we have to use eager loading to prepare all data, include the data in its relationship table before responding result to Ajax. To use eager loading, just add the with method to your Eloquent. So houses equals house : with city and get. Now all data in house and data in the relationship table loaded in the same time. The query running behind that is select static from houses and select static from cities, where id in 1 2 3 4 5. There are only two queries executed when using eager loading. As you can see the queries above, one query is to get all data in houses table and other query is to get all data in cities table that have id matched to the city id in the houses table using the in operation. So if we compare lazy and eager loading, in some cases that is useful to eager loading dynamically. We can decide whether the data in relationship table need to reload. So houses equals house : all, and we can say if is load, then houses load city. We can use load method to load the relationship data under specific condition. The conclusion is that now you understand the process and hopefully it can help to understand the basic of lazy loaded and the eager loading. I hope that you like this video training and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you need any help, feel free to contact me at my email address umehmood@gmail.com, my LinkedIn profile or my Twitter handle. See you next time with a new topic in Laravel.